What's up, YouTube? Welcome to my channel. It is actually the first video that I've ever recorded, and so it might be a little rusty. I am kind of new to YouTube, but I wanted to talk to you guys about options and trading on Robinhood. So let's get right into the video. What's up, YouTube? So it is, I believe, the 4th or the 5th of August, and I wanted to make this quick little clip. I just purchased a call in Starbucks expiring on September 4th. I got into the contract for a $430 premium, and it's been on a downwards trend, and that's one of the things that I do look at when I'm purchasing contracts. I like to buy things that are actually on a downwards trend that I expect to go back up, because as you all know, or as you should know if you're getting into options, is that with calls and stock prices, there's something that I believe is called mean deviation. And what it basically means is that no matter where a stock price is, high or low, eventually it's gonna go past whatever that mean price is of the stock over like the last year or 5 years. But either way, you got to keep that in mind, because eventually it's gonna hit that mean price. And so I had looked at the 3-month chart, the year chart, and I stayed away. I usually stay away from the 5-year chart unless I'm purchasing stocks in a company. But with options, I'm really just looking for about that short in and out type of trade, about a month long. I don't like really going anything over about 5 weeks. Yeah, that's all I wanted to say, guys. I hope that this goes well. I'll keep you updated about my profits and things like that as well. Peace out. So today is August 5th. Yesterday I screen recorded and recorded a couple clips when I had purchased a contract in Starbucks, and so I wanted to walk y'all through the whole live actions of me picking up a call in Robinhood. So let's just open up the app, and so taking a quick look at Starbucks is what we're going to be looking at today. Go over there. So one of the first things that I look for is I'm looking for a stock that is decreasing in value over the last week or month. However, something that does hit some higher end peaks. For example, looking at the month chart, you've seen that the highest it hit was $83, and I got a good bet that it'll hit somewhere around there again. We just looked at the earnings. They did report earnings already, so we're not going to be making an earnings play. Going into picking up the contract right now, I picked the September 4th expiration because I like to pick up things that are between a 3 and a 5 week expiration date. And now what I'm looking for is I'm looking for contracts that have a break-even price that is as close as I can get to the share price that it is at that time, without going crazy and overdoing my budget on this. So 2 things that I look for: trying to stay under whatever my budget is, and the closest break even that I can get. So we clicked on the $72 call, and because the break even price on the $72 call is $76.40 and the share price is $75.02, I got a good feeling that the share price will hit $76.40 by the time of September 4th. And so we're just gonna go in and click on I'm gonna type in our limit price, amount of contracts we want. I always, as you see, I put something that was under the ask price. I always like to click on or input prices that are under the ask price, just to see if I can get a couple dollars off when I'm doing my trades. And that was the whole shebang. The next clip you're gonna see is gonna be actually me selling the call, and so yeah, let's get into that. All right, y'all. So it's 1 o'clock. Yesterday is when I had bought my call in Starbucks. And I opened up my app a minute ago because I just woke up, and I'm up $50 right now. So I'm probably gonna close my position. I don't really know, man, because my position does have a lot of extrinsic value since my expiration date isn't for another 3 weeks, damn near. Because like I said, I bought this call yesterday and profited $50 today. It's pretty insane, man. I don't know what I want to do. I'm probably gonna sell just because you should always just take profit. Just take profit, bro. $50. Why not profit? You feel me? So that's what I'm probably gonna end up doing. But I don't know, man. Like $100 profit sounds so much better. You know what I'm saying? Again, back at it. So it's August 5th still, and we are about to close our position. Like you seen in the last clip, I recorded that about an hour ago and then shot the whole video. But as you've seen in the last clip, we were up $50 this morning when I woke up at 1 o'clock, or this evening, I should say. And what I wanted to do was to make sure that I sold, because you're always supposed to take profits, and I wanted to show y'all the whole shebang. So let's open up the Robinhood app and see what we got going on, So we're in the Robinhood app now, and we're gonna look for our Starbucks call. We do see that Starbucks did have a pop this morning, and so we're gonna go into bot trade options. As you see, we are $48 up. We were at $50 this morning when I looked. So we're gonna click on our expiration date, September 4th. Scroll down, look for the little plus sign on the call you bought. Make sure you're on sell. Robinhood will get you if you're on buy and sell. So make sure you're doing what you want to do. Type in the number of contracts you want to sell. Input the amount that you want to sell them for. It's telling me that options above $3 trades in increments of 5. So you have to end in a 5 or whatever, or a 0, And we're going to sell for $4.80 and see if we get sold right away. It looks like nobody is buying the call for $4.80. So we might have to go in and change our price that we want to sell it for. I did choose $4.80, which is a little bit on the higher end of what most sellers are selling it for. I mean, not even on the higher end. Most sellers are selling it for $4.85, between $4.70, I believe, is what it said. So we're just gonna have to probably go back in and redo that. Not being able to sell at $4.80, so I did drop the order price down to $4.75, and we did get sold. I didn't screen record me doing that. I thought I did, but something must have happened to the video, or maybe I just didn't do it or whatever. But here's a screenshot of the transaction, and as you see, it does say $47 plus, or $475 plus, and a little bit below that, you should see August 4th when I purchased the contract for $4.30. So we made a net profit of $45 this morning, and so I feel really good about it. And to everybody who was out there and watched this video and stuck through to the end, I appreciate you, and I hope that if anybody would want to learn about options, I've been doing it for a couple months now, and I think I may have profited about $500 to $1,000, anywhere between there. And my losses are very low. So I know a lot about options, and anybody would want me to make a future video talking about a whole options course potentially. I can give you that, guys, for free on YouTube. Just let me know what you think in the comments. And happy trading, everybody. Tell me what your profits are looking like this month. Peace out.